They built a narrative of post-work revolution to justify astonishing capital spend, and then the material results look more like incremental convenience. Autocomplete for code, faster slide decks, better image tools. Useful? Yes. System transforming? Not yet. So the story has to be walked back from world turned upside down to nice feature in boring incumbent products. And look at how labor appears here. Workers show up only in two roles: as disposable cost CEOs tried to cut with AI, and as professionals who might be made more efficient by these tools. There is no mention of who actually pays for the experimentation phase. The stress, job insecurity, de-skilling, and workload intensification as companies jam half-baked AI into workflows. The upside is privatized. The downside is pushed onto employees and users. The proposed sober landing point is revealing. Let the big incumbents win. Adobe, Google, Microsoft, the boring players with locked-in user bases, are framed as the healthy outcome. AI should not be a standalone product. It should be another layer of enclosure inside already dominant platforms. That is not a critique of the bubble. It is a defense of monopoly capital against its more chaotic, speculative cousins. Even the supposed good news examples, protein folding, cancer detection, weather forecasting, are real but instrumentalized. They function as moral cover for a capital project whose main energy is still going into office software, marketing, surveillance, and labor discipline. Breakthroughs at the scientific margin justify massive capital concentration at the economic core. So what is actually happening here is not AI dies or AI wins. It's capital reallocating, trimming the most obviously absurd speculative bets, consolidating power into the largest platforms, and normalizing AI as infrastructure that workers and smaller firms must now pay rent on to compete. The bubble bursting doesn't end the project. It just hardens it around the players best positioned to extract long-term rents. In the end, this video teaches you to see AI's crisis as a story about tech maturing and investors getting realistic, when it's really about which fraction of capital gets to own the future of computation, and how much cost can be offloaded onto everyone else while they figure it out.